So now let's see how we can go ahead and add an animation to text, shapes, and objects inside of Google Vids. So over here you can see that I got a bunch of scenes, but let me just go ahead and zoom out, add in another scene right here. Let me just keep the scene at the end. So over here, let me just bring in some text and objects. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto text right here. And let's say I'm going to go ahead and click on this and keep it right here. Apart from that, I'm just going to go around right here onto, let's say, for example, stock over here as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in the stock image right here as well, just like this. So let me just go ahead and bring that in. And then I got the shape right here, as you can see right here. And then let me just go ahead and add in a shape. So you got different elements, as you can see, just like this. And let's say what I want to do is I want to animate them now. So to do that, I can go ahead and click on this particular a particular object, let's say for example, then you can see that the animation is an option. You can go around and click, and then you can see that you can add in different animations to it right here, like scale and spin and so forth, as you can see right here. There's breathe, as you can see right here, just like this as well, and so forth. Or there's elastic slide, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can choose the one you like, just like this. And then I can go ahead and add in a bit of a loop right here for that particular animation as well. So I'm just going to add in shake or maybe breathe right here and so forth, just like this, or bounce, as you can see, according to how I want. So let me just go ahead right here and add in a bit of a shake right here, and the animation is added in. You can choose the speed right here, just like this as well, and even change around the duration of the animation right here. Same goes for others. So one way to insert animation is click on animation. But apart from that, you can also go around over here and then go ahead onto, let's say, for example, onto the format menu, and here you can see animation right here. So from over here as well, you can even see photo effect, but let me just go around onto enter and exit right here, and you can see that these are the different types of animations that you can add in right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and add in toaster and so forth right here, and choose the direction as well. Similarly for this as well, you can go ahead and add in animation as you want. So this is the scene. So let me just expand this, and if I were to play it, you can see the animation right here, just like this, and you got a bit of a movement over here for this animation as well. You can also go ahead and expand out the timing right here, just like this, and just click on the object that you want to show, or show all the timing, and here you can change the range of the object right here as you need right here, just like this. And then what happens is that you can see that that is how the animation will actually play out right here, just like this, one by one, as you can see, just like that. So that is how you can add in animations to text and shapes and objects inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.